Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Part 2, I made a video about this, and I thought I'd show how to put a picture in that frame if you ever wanted to. I'm going to take a rectangle, and I'm going to get from about that corner to about, we want the picture to be behind there. Now, I'm going to nudge, I'm going to make it like 25 inches. I'm going to grab that rectangle, and I'm going to nudge it over. Now, do not move this, but move your picture down. We're a little bit too small, so I'm going to make it bigger. You want to get your object in there. I'm going to select both objects you can see down here, but I'm going to go to intersect. That intersected that picture. Now I'm going to nudge it back. But the next thing you need to do, and my frame is all one group, so I'm going to go to object order backup page. That way it looks like it's inside the frame like it should. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.